Oh, what are you doing? He doesn't want to come up here yet. He doesn't like being up here with me. He wants to sit right there or chewing the squeaky. He's a boy. That tail man, I love it. Welcome home, buddy. Until we get him a sweater, my IU hoodie fits him pretty well. Come here, come here. Come here, Quill. Not bad. Quill and his tail came to us out of the blue. We had been looking to adopt and it fell through, but then my cousin was fostering this guy who is half Great Dane, half Dalmatian. And he was given up at a shelter in Dallas, Texas on Christmas. But she took him in and I saw him about a month later and now he's our boy.
Quill's first package.
Wow. Oh my goodness. Ooh, look at that. Mr. Bendy Body.
Big. Not big.
Quill was a Velcro dog from the beginning and he still is and wants to be with his humans and we love it. Time for nap, buddy. Did you find a squeaky? Aaron and Quill play every night, and Quill has quite the collection of squeaky toys, including Mr. Monkey. And he likes to pull every single one of them out of his toy bin, and then we put him back every night, and he does the same thing all over again. So it brings us a lot of joy, and we have to clean up a lot of stuffing.
Is that the bear? Is that your bear?
Oh, he found it!
Well. Is that your buddy? Is that your buddy?
First road trip with Quill, off to PetSmart to get him a harness that fits, and then take a stroll. He's doing good though. Head on. We got him a coat that fits finally. Took a couple tries. Yes. Good boy.
All right. Getting Quill's name tag.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Super happy. He's been such a good guy.
All right. It's his first walk in the park. Handsome. Yeah. Quill? He's like, yeah. What are you doing? He's a good boy. Wow.
Oh. Quill, right here. Look, buddy. Look.
While it was cold outside, we had my brother Wyatt return to retexture the ceilings upstairs. Who knows how old they were? They had this heavy, thick coat of texture that was cracking, and so he put on first a layering coat. So here, Wyatt is testing out the final texture, and we decided to have him put on a thin layer of mud, and then you roll on a texture, and then you wipe it down, so it has a really nice effect. This is the texture drying, and we're very happy with it, so now you're able to see before and after. On your nose. You're silly. Quill. As Wyatt was finishing up the ceilings, Aaron was painting the entire upstairs, the same color as the downstairs, and it just brightened the space so much between the two, and we're very, very happy with it. He's a good boy.
He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
Aaron was very patient, trying to help Quill become comfortable with his crate as we prepared for a trip.
What you got?
You're silly.
What you got?
Hey, good morning, guys. Quill. What are you doing? Let me see that face. Oh, he's a good boy. Yeah, morning. What are you guys doing? That tail. I love his tail. They're birdies. They're birdies?
Yeah. Good boy. Good boy.
The guest room had a little bit more drywall patching to do due to some cracks in the wall that had to be filled and the angles. Aaron's office was also eventually completed, had to have some cracks repaired, but all in all, a coat of paint and new ceilings made it so much easier to live in every day. It was a very cold January, and we had quite a lot of snow. The lake froze over completely, but Quill was getting used to walking around it, and he loves it now. Get it, puppy! Good boy!
Good boy.
Good puppy! Boop. The end. Sun in your new freshly painted office. Babe, it looks great. Oh my goodness. Wow.
I'm gonna probably paint in here the borders and maybe the trims.
It looks so much better. The guest room ceiling turned out great, so stay tuned to see the paint and how we decorate. The poor plants were struggling, so Aaron installed a light, and he also helped install much of my desk since I was still healing from surgery, and we even had our first beautiful amaryllis. As some of you may know, I'm an abstract artist, and one of the things I like to do is take my curated collection of hand beaded and hand clay earrings and turn them into their own pieces of art, so they serve a dual function of being a beautiful piece in the space and providing texture, but also being practical in that they hold my earrings. And I love to see them and celebrate the artistry of the persons who made it. So, finally got this back up after a long stint of being in a box. We think Quill is a little over a year old, and he is still learning how to walk on a lead. He does have a collar, and we have trained him to use that on our property, so more time. Hey, buddy.
Come to the bathroom. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go take a bath.
Come on.
What are you doing?
Quill.
Alright, and then once I leave and go back out, he will he'll pop out.